Hi, how are you? I hope you are all doing fine today. This is a single piece of wood, actually a broken wood, and I'm using it as a canvas for my painting. You can see nice color gradation and the variations here. So I'm going to put the mountain graphics here. Let's see, using the brush, just putting the colors of the highland, some ups and downs here. Mhm. Okay. So from the bottom, just we can draw something like this one. We need more color. All right. So there's a mountain highland, and on top of it, we're just going to put a house. Let's see. Putting the white color here. So this is the house we are going to see from the side. So this is the main body. You can see the white color. So multi layers actually. It's the first layer, and let's go for the second layer. Finally, this is going to be the third layer, and the base is going to be extended like this one. Okay, and here you can see another base. Awesome. So there's the primary outline for the house. Now if we put the red color as a rooftop for the house, then it's going to be the visibly very nice, because this is identifiable from long distance. So on the top you can see the pitched roof like this one. Okay, then for the next level you can see the pitched roof here. Okay. For the other level you can see the pitched roof again. Okay, the pitched roof. Awesome. Actually, it's a multi-storied house on top of the mountain roof, and here you can see the another rooftop just coming up. Awesome. In the base you can see other one. Okay, so those are the different layers for the rooftop, and we are taking again another layer of the red color just to enhance the color thickness. So you can see the red color, lots of red. Actually, the roof tiles, those comes with the red color, so that's why rooftop looks like the red here. Use the construction material. Awesome. Okay, so after that one, we're going to draw the sides of the house, but before that, let's put the white color again in some portions. Okay, because we need to enhance the appearance of the house very prominent in the landscape. So this is the white color which is very prominent within the landscape. Let's take more white because the design is going to be between red and white here. Mhm. All right. So after that one, we need to put the borders of the house and the end of the house so that it can seen very nicely within the landscape. And for that purpose, let's take another dark color, which is the navy blue or the dark blue. Okay, putting the boundaries, you can see. Putting the boundaries for everywhere. Taking again the color, and you can see putting the boundaries. Awesome. And some windows you can see by the dots to have the nice view. The building has lots of windows. Awesome. So there's the basic graphics, and in the bottom just put some graphics like this one to show the grasses, plants, and lots of trees and the mountains landscapes. Okay. All right. And the house, it will have a the bigger tree here. Let's see. So for the tree we're going to draw a bigger trunk, which is going to be the darker color again, and then we're going to put the colors on top of it. So let's see the trunk of the tree. Very bigger tree, and usually we can put it like an organic shape because some trees are thousands of years old and maybe have some organic shape and very big, some gigantic trees you can see. Okay, and for the shades and shadow purpose we're putting the darker color at the bottom in some multi layers and going to put other white color on the top. Okay, so the black color is done here. Now we need a another brush and put the white color in between those one. Okay, so putting the colors. So layers are getting separated, and we can see the shades and shadows within the branches and the leaves. Awesome. For the nice colors, let's put some orange color on top of the tree just to make it look good. So the springtime just flourishing very nice within the trees. And also we need to put some yellow colors to enhance the brightness. So in some portions we're putting the yellow color too. Especially on the top, we're going to put the lots of yellow color. Awesome. So you can see the house and the tree looks very nice. So for the next step, we need a fence here, and to draw the fence, we need a very, the small brush, and let's see which brush we can use. All right. So within this brush, we're going to draw a fence here, and the color of the fence is going to be the darker color. So let's see, just putting the lines here from the top and coming to the bottom. You can see the fence running the whole area. Another level, you can see parallel to the previous one, and these are the poles which is just going down from the top to the bottom. And the mountain landscapes you can see at the bottom, very nice, lots of grasses. Okay, awesome. If you like to show some birds flying in the sky, then draw something like V shape. Lots of birds flying. So for the general purpose, you can draw and put the birds flying in the sky in some areas. Okay, so this bird is very bigger. All right. And if you like, you can put a moon on top of it. So when you draw it, just try to make it as round as possible. Let's see, taking the white color and drawing the moon here. Okay. And sometimes if you like to draw the stars on the sides of the moon, then you have to put some dots like this one. You can see lots of white dots around here. Some are smaller, some are bigger, and it just looks good in the dark background. Alright, so the drawing is complete. I hope you like the video. Stay tuned. If you are new, please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on. See you in our next videos. We have lots of drawings in our playlist. Please go to the playlist and browse through lots of categories. We have thousands of drawings there. See you again. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.